Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the always on display portrait mode from the Realme UI 3.0, which I did install in the Realme GT, versus the Oxygen UI canvas always on display mode. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, asking me to compare side by side. Let's see how much unique and different both UIs has got optimized and customized in terms of the always on display functionality. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So right now I'm trying to use the Realme UI 3.0 in the Realme GT device. This early access update which I did get, as you can clearly see, friends. Let's see what will be the Realme UI 3.0 type of portrait mode always on display compare with this canvas mode always on display. The first phone, I think first UI to implement is the canvas UI in Oxygen UI itself, and with the recent Realme UI 3.0 we got this kind of update. So first, if you try to go to the personalization and if you try to go to the always on display, you can actually find the option called portrait mode, as you can see here, which is available here. And same thing in the OnePlus 8T as well, I mean in the one color Oxygen OS, not color OS, sorry. So there is a customization option. So in the customization option, which is called the canvas, as you can see, you need to click on the canvas mode and you need to select the one of the selfie or any kind of mode photo, whatever you want. But right now I'll try to select the same image in both phones. Let's see which phone looks what kind of manner. This is just in comparison between the portrait mode versus canvas mode in the always on display functionality, just to show the results, what is happening between these both phones in terms of the comparison. So that's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate, and is the front cam shot which I did take just now. I'll try to select the same kind of image in both phones. Right now I did select, as you can see, same image I'm trying to select in both phones. So right now it will ask you to preview. If you want, you can zoom in. Right now both phones are analyzing and creating the canvas, as you can see, friends, exactly. So both phones did create the portrait mode and the canvas mode. So right now it did apply to the always on display mode as well. Right now we do have the option, same kind of option, which is if you want, you can always apply the wallpaper for the home screen and lock screen as well. There's an option, if you want, you can enable or disable as well. But right now let me need to click yes and let me need to continue. So right now both phones I did enable the canvas mode and the portrait mode in both phones in terms of the always on display functionality. Right now let me need to click the lock screen, and both phones did lock. As you can see, right now you'll be able to see the canvas mode and the portrait mode. So I did like this kind of canvas mode which is present in the OnePlus OnePlus 8T, not Nord 2. So in this Oxygen UI, as you can see, it's kind of really darkened. As you can see, it's really dark and bright. That's what the layer is about. And even the portrait mode also gives you the same kind of similar effect clearly. But one thing is that you can see the clock is slightly brighter than the image in the portrait, as you can see exactly. But in the OnePlus, you can see clearly the clock brightness and even the portrait myself brightness is slightly kind of similar exactly. So this will give the clearly a good idea, friends, in the OnePlus Oxygen UI than the Realme UI. Maybe in the stable version they might update, but right now this is just an early access update only. But just to give a quick idea what is going on, that's what I thought of comparing portrait mode and the canvas mode is exactly kind of similar. Nothing much huge difference. You can see the alignment, everything, but OnePlus was able to capture slightly kind of more details. I mean in terms of the highlighting a little bit more. So a little bit near the eyes section, you can see a little bit. So that's it, friends. It's a quick comparison between both phones using the same kind of selfie mode, and I'm trying to select, and these are the results which we got. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, friends. And this is a quick comparison between both phones which I thought of just showing you. Even this animation, I think it got implemented from the Oxygen UI itself. You can see this kind of black color is going on in the edges. Same in the OnePlus also, it's similarly like this, as you can see in the OnePlus 8T in the Oxygen UI. I think most of the features got implemented from the Oxygen UI itself. And that's it. This is a quick comparison between both phones, I mean both UIs. And see in the next video I'll illustrate more updates. In case if you have any other doubts regarding this UIs, so make sure to check the playlist which I created for the Realme UI 3.0. That will give a clear idea what is going on between this both phones. Thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll illustrate more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.